Now anybody that make use of the object properties will love this one. Previously, that once you made the change to an object, say if I select a symbol, I move it to a different layer, and I want to copy it or move it, I have to go and activate my drawing area first before I can activate my keyboard shortcut keys. Now in Caddie 26, I'm going to show you now that once you make a change in your object properties, you move your pointer in the drawing area, you can make use of your keyboard shortcut keys. I'm first just going to switch off my text so that you can see my symbol. And remember, if you get a drawing where it displays the line width on the screen, it's controlled here at the bottom where it says show line width is on, so I can just switch it off. So now I'm going to select my symbol. Now as you can see in the object properties, this is a double plug point, this is a block reference. At the moment it's on layer 0, so I'm going to change it to, let's say, layer electrical layout. So I've made a change to that block. Now I'm just going to move my pointer to the model space, and now I'm going to press C for copy on the keyboard. So press C for copy. Caddie will ask me pick origin, indicate the start point, and remember, if you hold down your tab key, now you can place it horizontal or vertical. Depends on what is your drag setting set to. If I want to rotate it, I can right click and rotate, say OK, and I can place it against that wall. Any changes that you're going to make, and if I want to select that next one, you'll see it will be on the correct layer because I've made a change to the first one, and while it's selected, I've made use of my keyboard shortcut keys. Remember your shortcut keys, under help, you can go down and say show keyboard shortcut. There's all the basic shortcut keys in that list.